Coastal Cooking continues. We're in the kitchen with Virginia College, Jason Lafferty. We already got the salmon in the first segment. Now we're going to put some little touch on it.
Yes, we're going to do a little sauce. We're just going to do a classic beurre blanc, but with a little bit of twist. We're going to do it with lemon and dill because everybody thinks lemon and dill tastes great with salmon.
All right, so what have we done so far in this?
What we've done is we've actually got some shallots. Got a nice little brown on them. We sauteed them in a little bit of butter, of course, for flavor. We're going to do what is commonly known as deglazing, and so we're going to pour white wine in there. And what that does, as you can see, is it actually pulls all the brown bits and all the goodness off the bottom. And we're going to pop that back on the eye real quick, and we're going to bring it up to temperature. Classically, a beurre blanc is a reduction of wine, heavy cream, and then you finish it with a little bit of butter.
Okay.
So it's a butter sauce. A little bit, not necessarily on the super healthy side, but it's
on the tasty side.
It's one of the best sauces you can possibly have for seafood. So what we've done, we got it. It's starting to cook. It's going to reduce. What'll actually help it reduce in speed is if we add a little bit of the heavy cream. And so we're going to chase that with a little bit of heavy cream, and we're going to whisk it together. The big part about this sauce is the quicker you try to cook it, the more likely you're not going to make it. And so we're not going to actually have to fly through it, and so we don't bring it to a boil. But we're going to kick it up a little bit just for time's sake. We're going to kick up the heat just a little bit and see if we can get this cream boiling.
Okay. And then once it's done, you just stick it over the salmon, you're good to go.
Basically, that's what we're going to do. We're stick it over the salmon. What we've got to finish it is we've got some dill. So we're going to add a little bit of dill to it. Let's throw that in real quick. We've got a little bit of lemon. We've got a nice microplane zester, so we're going to microplane it. And then to finish that off here, we're going to add a little bit of butter.
Well, of course, this recipe is on local15tv.com. Let's take a look at the finished product. Jason, as always, great job. We really appreciate you having us today.
Thank you. I'm glad you guys got to come out.